Well, you may be wondering why I'm waiting outside if this is supposed to be an unboxing and first impressions video, and that's because I ordered the purple iPhone 12 from Apple, but they have a new delivery thing where you can actually pay delivering it directly to my house from the Apple store, which is super cool. I just gotta wait for it to get here. Okie dokie. So now I have, ta-da, my iPhone 12. They got delivered. So gentleman pulled up. I was able to meet him outside, just outside the front door, and got my phone. Of course, it's got all the shipping stuff on it, just as if you were going to actually ship it through the mail. So it's kind of neat. Now, let's go open up the box. All right, so here we are with the iPhone 12 in purple. So yeah, I mean, I've already done a video before about the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the iPhone 12 mini, and I'm drawn back in again because of this color. It doesn't make it faster, it doesn't make it more powerful, it doesn't really do anything exceptionally different other than it just exists in a new color. Purple's my favorite color, which is the reason why I bought this. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. It was neat. I probably wouldn't have bought it today if there weren't the option for somebody to deliver it to me within a couple of hours from the Apple store. But yeah, there's not a whole lot to this unboxing experience other than just getting to take a look at the phone in purple. So some of you might actually be interested in what this looks like. I know I was and am. It's kind of like a different, it looks kind of like a sweet tart purple. I like it. I like how it has the flat color with the metal on the sides, and then you get this more pastelish kind of candy purple, sweet tart purple here on the back. It's the best thing I can equate it to. Still got the two cameras, nothing's changed here. This is not a reinvention of the wheel, it's the exact same phone, another color. So this may not be appealing to a lot of you, but for me, as someone who doesn't really care about iPhones very much, you're probably saying, well, why did you buy another one? Well, now that I'm using all real cameras, with the exception of this, because I couldn't shoot this with the overhead mount I have for my camera, so I'm shooting this with the iPhone. And of course the iPhone does have beautiful video, but it just is not on the same level as traditional camera stuff, which is kind of why I migrated. But it's a really nice looking phone. I like it. I love the two-tone look, just like all the other colors with the iPhone 12s. And I want to carry this. Like, it's one of the things where it's like, it doesn't matter to me what the iPhone does because they all run the same to me, whether it's an iPhone SE 2020 or an iPhone 12 Pro Max. The experience feels the same to me. So aesthetically, I just happen to like the way this looks. And we've got our power cable in there, no charging brick. Of course, they're still happy to give you the sticker. SIM ejector tool is in here as well, and that's about it. There's not a whole lot here for the unboxing experience. Go ahead and press the power button here to fire it up because I got to transfer all my stuff over. I already backed it up. And then, yeah, we'll go ahead and take a look at it. All right, so here we are with the iPhone 12 and all of its glorious purple color. I have a hard time telling really what purple exactly it is. It kind of looks a little bit like the grape Laffy Taffy candy. If you're familiar with that, then you're like, hey, that stuff's delicious. It is. And it kind of looks a little bit like sweet tart purple. So kind of a healthy balance between there, and then it has like the flat brushed aluminum sides and gives it that two-tone look. I really like the way it looks. That's the whole reason I bought this phone. Like, I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I'm going to give this to my wife. She's got an iPhone 11 Pro Max right now, so that's good for her. It's a perfectly good phone. The 12 Pro Max is really good, but it is a gigantic, heavy brick, and I don't enjoy carrying it or using it. The only reason I bought this one, because I had a blue iPhone 12 to begin with. I liked it a lot, but this one has some superior video quality products, and I went to only recording videos with my iPhone for a while, so I needed this one. Well, I changed that. I use a real camera now, so I decided purple's my favorite color. I really like the way this one looked. Ta-da, I got it. So, it's not faster, it's not bigger, it doesn't do anything any better than any other normal iPhone 12. That's not the purpose of this video. But I do enjoy the phone, I like the color, and that has some persuasion power. And I think that's an important topic, and I wanted to talk about that here. Apple is really good at this. Like, they make a lot of different colors now. They make yellow, they make white, they make green, blue, purple, whatever. If you want to get one of those colors, sometimes that's more appealing. Like back in the day, it was like, all right, you've got silver, you've got white, you've got gold, you've got space gray. I didn't really care for any of those colors. It was very arbitrary to me. And of course, if you put a case on your phone, well, you can't really see the color anyway. But now iPhone has color matched cases that go with the phones. I ordered that. It'll be here in a few days. But yeah, I was like, you know what? I'm not really doing myself any favors carrying two Android phones. Normally I carry an Android primary and an Apple secondary. I haven't been carrying my Apple phone because I hate carrying the 12 Pro Max. My wife loves the larger phone, whatever. That's good for her. She's going to get a free upgrade. And then I'm going to sell her 11 Pro Max to pay for this one. So it's not really costing me any money. It's not really hurting me. And it gives me the color iPhone that I want. So I was like, well, this is harmless. Whatever, I'll go ahead and grab it. And if I still need to use it for vlogging, I can. It's perfectly good for that. I still have my really nice MV88 Shure microphone, which is perfect for the type of videos that I shoot. So that's really all it was. I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing, show it off, let you guys get a look and a feel for this new purple color. I really dig it. I think it looks cool. It's not as like pastel-ish as the 11 was. Like, I really liked that color, but I'm like, that's a little too light for me. This one, a little bit more true purple, and I like this kind of sweet tart candy purple color that goes with it. It looks really good. Can't wait for my case to get here. And if you want a different colored iPhone, it's perfectly fine. Like, there's millions of phones out there. So get the one that you like, carry the one that you enjoy, and who cares? So if you want one, whatever. If you don't want one, that's whatever too. Whatever rocks your boat. So that's all I've got in this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.